this video lesson, let us understand the method of preparation of alcohol from the carbonyl compounds. Now, by the reduction of aldehydes and ketones, we will be able to obtain the alcohols. Now, let me just explain this with an example. Acetaldehyde or ethanol, when subjected to reduction by taking any catalyst, namely platinum, palladium or nickel, any of this will serve as a good catalyst for us. It will yield the primary alcohol. The primary alcohol that we get in this case is ethanol. What's the formula of ethanol? CH3CH2OH. So upon reduction of ethanol or acetaldehyde, the alcohol obtained is primary alcohol, that is ethanol or ethyl alcohol. Now let me just illustrate this with one more example by taking the case of the ketone. Ketone, say for example, acetone, upon reduction by taking any one of those three catalysts as I mentioned earlier, maybe platinum, maybe palladium or maybe nickel, we will be able to obtain the corresponding alcohol. Always from ketones, we will be able to obtain secondary alcohol. So now acetone or propanone upon reduction by taking the catalyst will yield us the corresponding secondary alcohol. What is that secondary alcohol that we are going to get? 2-propanol. Why it's 2-propanol? For the second carbon atom, the OH group is attached. Therefore, 2-propanol, or you can also call it as 2-hydroxypropane or propan-2-ol. All of those three would be the correct IUPAC nomenclature. This, according to trivial system, is called as isopropyl alcohol. So, by taking the carbonyl compounds like aldehydes and ketones and subjecting them to the process of reduction in presence of a catalyst, corresponding alcohols can be obtained. Students are hereby asked to remember this very important point. If it is an aldehyde, the product formed will be a primary alcohol, and if it is a ketone, the product formed will be a secondary alcohol. This lesson, concepts of alcohol, is being done to help the student who had asked us for the lesson of alcohol. I want the students who are watching this to leave a comment in our Facebook page. The link is available down in the description. Please leave a comment in our Facebook page regarding your requirement concept from either NCERT class 11 or class 12. We'll try to help you out to the maximum possible extent.